target your pronunciation.
Hi friends, welcome to More Than Language. My name is Stephanie, and today we are targeting your pronunciation. Today's target is a continuation of the last target, voiced and unvoiced sounds. If you listen carefully, you can hear the wind blow because this is an open window. Today, my goal is for you to understand sounds that are stops, this is a closed window, and continuations, the open window. Certain letters stop when you pronounce them. The sound stops in 3 different places. I'll explain more of that in just a few minutes. Other sounds, when you pronounce them, the sound continues. Let's get started. The stop sounds. These are sounds that when you pronounce them, they have a stop to them. You'll understand more when I give you these examples. The first one, P. It is a stop sound. B. B. It is a stop sound. D. D. T. Stop sound. G. G. Stop sound. Now the fun begins, because this is only going to be filmed one time. These are the continuation sounds. And yes, you guessed it, they're going to go flying. The S. Goodbye. The M. Goodbye. The R. The TH. The H. The W. Goodbye. Oh, that didn't make it out the window. Now it did. The SH. Shh. The V. The F. You'll notice the sound just keeps going after you've pronounced it. The Z. Z. The L. L. And A, E, I, O, U, and Y. All the vowels are continuation sounds. Goodbye. Oh, I forgot one. The K. 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 The K is a stop sound. Now, let's get a little more specific with stop sounds. There's 3 locations on your voice pathway, on the speech pathway, where they stop. So let's start with the back of the throat. The back of the throat has 2 stop sounds. The first one is the G, the G, G, stops. So let's say the word go, go. You squeeze that G from the back of your throat. Let's say the word game, game. Big, stops. Bigger, again, it's that stop sound in the back of your throat. Bag. Okay, let's move on to the other sound in the back of your throat. And that would be the letter K. The letter K stops in the back of your throat. So put your hand on your throat and say K, J. One of those is voiced and one is unvoiced. K, K, J, J. That's right. The K is K, K, unvoiced, and the G, J, J, is voiced. So the K, your words are kiss, kiss. The K stops in the back of your throat. Sack, sack. Baking, baking. Again, all of those stop in the back of your throat. Now there's two other locations where the sound stops. The next one is the gum ridge. I will insert a picture of where these locations are because you can't really see inside my mouth. That'd be kind of gross, right? So I'll insert a picture that has where this is so you can know exactly where the gum ridge is. The T sound. The T if you lift your tongue and touch the roof of your mouth, just behind the top teeth, take a breath, okay, and hold your tongue there. That's where your gum ridge is. You let the air build up as you whisper the T. The tongue is right behind those teeth. Tiger, tiger. At, attempt. I lost it. He kept it all day. All of those have the T, the stop sound. The next one with the gum ridge is the D. 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 Your tongue is behind those teeth. D. D. Day. Ed. Ready. Red. Slide. If you pay real careful attention, you'll feel your tongue behind your teeth. Knowing where that tongue goes will help you with the stop sounds. Now the last stop sound location is your lips. There are, again, two letters, that the stop point is your lips. One of those is the P. 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 Whisper the P. 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 Take a breath and then say the word pop. Pop. It stops right there at your lips. Pop. Hold your lips close and then push out that P. Pop. Pop. Some other words are pay, up, happy, sip, stop, hop. The next letter and our final letter in our stop sounds is the B. 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 So let's take a breath, close your lips so it stops the air, and then say, baby, baby. Fill your lips, close as you say that B. Baby. Closes twice. Here's some practice words for you. B. Tub. Rubber. Rubber. Rub. Grab. Another way that you can test if it is, okay. Okay, so what do I say now? Often native speakers in North America do not finish saying the stop sounds at the end of sentences. Okay. One more tip to understand North American English is that most North American English do not finish those stop sounds at the end of sentences. They hold that final stop sound. Okay. Here is a tip about native English speakers, North American English speakers. Most North American English speakers hold that final stop sound at the end of sentences. Who knew? I didn't. So let me explain what that means. They hold that final sound by leaving their tongue where it is. They let the air build up, but they don't release that last puff of air till the end of the sentence. I know, maybe it's confusing, but just listen to the example and hopefully you can hear what I'm trying to explain. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. We hold that final stop sound. Another sentence. Take a break. Take a break. Holding on to that final stop sound is another way that you can practice speaking like a native English speaker. Thank you for joining me today and allowing me to help you target your pronunciation. The next video will be about... There's so much details in each one of these sections, so I can only give you a small little bit. The next one will be called More About Consonants and Vowels. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you, and target.